Hi friends, welcome to today's video. So in this video we are going to create our network module. So when we say network module means we're going to create a reusable network layer which can be reused across multiple projects. Okay, and for that if we are saying that it's a reusable, that means it should be created as a separate package, like maybe as a separate Swift package, or we can create a CocoaPod library, or we can support both. So let's see. First, we'll just create with a normal Swift package, and later on we will add also support for CocoaPod. Okay. So what I'm going to do is to create a new package here and call it as BG network. Okay. So I'm just creating inside the same folder like where I have my the main project, and then we already created one Swift package in the initial of this video series. So at the same level, I'm going to create one more. So let's create this package here. Okay, so now you can see that the package has been created. Okay, now when we created the package for the first time, like in this, when we created this BG utility, we didn't have a sample application, or I can say that sample project to test it directly. Okay, so what we did, basically we integrated it into our main project and then we tested it. Okay, so if let's say that if I want this package to be standalone testable, then what we should do, the folder hierarchy here. So if you see here, this is what we have just created. Now if you have noticed some popular framework, let's say for example Alamo Fire, you might have seen that they have an example project created inside them. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to close this. Okay, and let me create a new project here, and this is going to be a Swift project and call this as example. Okay, and now you have to create this inside your network module which we have created. So don't go inside this source, we have to just create at the root folder structure here. Okay, so let me just create it right away. Okay, so now we have created one example project here. Okay, so now if you see, we created two things. We created one example project and we created a package. Now we have to link both together. Okay, so that once we link it, then we can able to access it, we can able to like write the code and test it without having any tension of publishing it to the GitHub. Okay, now let's run this and see. Now we have to integrate our network module that we have created into this project, right? Right, this is the network module that we created. Inside that we have our example project. Okay, so what we can do is simply link our network module here. Okay, now if you see here that the network module is added as a local package. Okay, now if you see the package dependency, it will not show you here because we have just added it directly into the project. Now let's import it. And let's try to access it, whether it's able to access properly or not. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll just create the object of our let's go inside this, and we have this BG network manager, right? So let's create the object of BG network manager, and there's nothing right now, so I'll just run it. So right now the build got failed. Let's see what is the reason. So you are getting the error, no such module found. So basically what is happening, that when we added this into local here, we also have to add into our target as a framework. Okay, so we need to go to framework section here and just add this target. Now you build it, it will work perfectly fine. Okay, so you can see that the build got succeeded. There's nothing to show as much here. In our next video we'll start developing our network module. Okay, thank Thanks for watching it. Thank you.